Have you ever been deep into coding, only to be stopped in your tracks by an unexpected error? It can be incredibly frustrating, right? If you've encountered a type error in TensorFlow, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to unravel this issue together. I completely understand how annoying it is when your code doesn't run as expected. You might feel like you're doing everything right, only to be met with a confusing error message. You're definitely not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently shared their code snippet and mentioned they received a type error stating, "Value passed to parameter A has data type int64 not in list of allowed values." This can be quite perplexing, especially when using the latest version of TensorFlow. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what does this error mean? Essentially, TensorFlow is expecting a different data type for the matrix multiplication operation. It only accepts certain types like float32 or int32, and when it encounters int64, it throws this error. Understanding this is key to resolving the issue. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to avoid similar issues in the future. You won't want to miss it. To resolve the type error, the user should first check the data types of the tensors being created. TensorFlow requires specific data types for operations, and in this case, the user is passing an integer type that is not allowed. Next, the user can convert the input arrays to a compatible data type before converting them to tensors. This can be done using NumPy's asType method. After converting the data types, the user should proceed to convert the arrays to tensors again. This ensures that the tensors are created with the correct data type. Finally, the user can perform the matrix multiplication. With the correct data types, the operation should execute without any errors. Fun fact: did you know that TensorFlow was originally developed by researchers and engineers from the Google Brain team? It's come a long way since then, but even the pros run into errors sometimes. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests casting your tensors to the correct data type. They recommend using TensorFlow's cast function to convert both ytrue and ypred to float32. Here's the tip I promised. Always check the data types of your tensors before performing operations. This simple habit can save you a lot of debugging time. And there you have it. By converting your tensors to the correct data type, you should be able to resolve that pesky type error. Remember, understanding data types is crucial in TensorFlow. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips. And don't forget to check out our next video for more coding insights.